Okay, you should be able to fire again. Go ahead. Fire it again.
I don't know if I can carry. Oh my gosh.
Hold it by the hip.
I work out my arms or
Hold
something.
it by the hip then.
Oh my gosh. That's even more embarrassing.
You won't be able to aim. You have to look down the range and aim. Go ahead.
So I'm not going to even be able to aim.
Try it. Try again.
Well, I can't aim if I have it like this, can I?
You gotta aim from the hip. Go ahead.
Okay, let me just... I'm such a wuss, I'm sorry.
It's heavy, I know.
Well, you're all badass with it.
Here, put on safe and we'll walk closer.
No.
Come on, babe.
Okay, this is just embarrassing. Well, look how we have it set up. We're supposed
Come
to...
back from here, right here.
Yeah, remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to put it back on fire and then...
Fire, okay. It's on. Okay.
Is it on fire?
Yep.
Okay.
And it's not going.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
It's jammed.
Hold on. Watch this. Just hold this secure. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna like shoot it up in the air and it's gonna come back and...
Get a little closer, babe.
I can't. I don't... Okay, I really don't think... Okay. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can carry it anymore. Alright. I don't think I'm gonna get anything doing it like this. No, I can't get anything. I'll just let you do all the bottles. There's no way unless I go pump some iron.
Here, just try to hit the side of the fridge there. Right in the center by pointing it. It's like a garden hose. Too high. Right on. Try hit again. Towards the center. Cool.
Not counting the bottles. Okay, I'm putting it on safe now.
You're out?
I don't know. I can barely hold it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't point it at me, bro. Baby.
What?
Don't point it at me. Here.
It's
out?
It's on safe.
It is? Okay. That's cool.
I'm not retard. It's safe. But sorry I pointed it at you. Fuck, how do you do it, Nathaniel? You don't even pump iron.
You want me to try a little bit? Give you a rest?
Yes.
Here, hold the camera, babe.
Okay.
Still on recording.
Great. You gotta hear all my commentary about how I'm like a big wuss. And I need to pump iron.
Hot.
Yeah, fuck yeah, that is my man right here.
Something wrong. Not a jam.
Hell yeah, that's my man, alright.
Safe.
Being badass.
But that's so close though for aim fire. Let me try over there.
Okay.
This is about more realistic. Hot. We're out.
We're out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk back and put more ammo in.